Effortless Nude Ombre Nails, a simple and stunning process. Achieving nude ombre nails doesn't have to be complicated, and you don't even need the Apex method for this look. With the overlapping method, you can create a soft, natural gradient while keeping the process simple and beginner-friendly. Why the overlapping method works best for ombre? The beauty of this technique lies in its ease and final nature look, which saves you from excess filing and tuning processes. By overlapping the liquid and flicking your brush to apply the powder, you can achieve a flawless ombre effect with minimal effort, which requires you to have the skill to apply them thinly and evenly. The layers blend seamlessly, creating that dreamy gradient without the need for excessive filing or buffing. This approach naturally results in thinner layers compared to the Apex method, which has an added benefit. It allows you to apply 1 or 2 extra layers of clear powder. This not only seals the ombre design, but also protects it during the filing and buffing process, ensuring your nails stay intact and damage-free. One of the best things about the overlapping and flicking to ombre is its flexibility. You can experiment with endless color combinations, but if you're new to ombre nails, start with similar hues. They're the most forgiving and easiest to blend. My personal recommendation? Stick with nude vibes or earth tones for your first attempts. With the overlapping method, creating stunning ombre nails is simpler than ever. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned nail enthusiast, this technique ensures a flawless, natural result every time. And if you're looking for a go-to design, nude tones are your best bet for effortless elegance. Give it a try and enjoy salon-quality nails at home.